was serious about that freestyle. Yo, serious.
Let's try this.
Came up like you don't know, blew up like volcano, erupt. I'm the nigga sipping from your cup, man enough, blew you up with a single touch, ayy. On your track I rap and smack and beat it like a drum, ayy. That's the one, send shots like a gun. Used to do this for fun, but 1K followers ain't enough, ayy.
Ain't sipping on no rum, I'm the boy you shun. Working on my stuff, watch the stuff become. Raise it with the sun, walking while I run. I go straight to cuts, you ain't sharp enough. Man, I love how you sending shots, but you ain't good enough. Watch me blow up, volcano, niggas switch up, Nintendo, watch me rotate, tornado, just wanna educate your brain though,
Came up like you don't know, blew up like volcano, erupt. I'm the nigga sipping from your cup, man enough, blew you up with a single touch, ayy. On your track I rap and smack and beat it like a drum, ayy.
Yeah. Damn, nigga, I ain't know you could rap. Those bars are fire, you know what I'm saying? You know, I saw this track and I'm like, I wanna make a dance video out of this track, but you know, I just pushed myself. I got a little something. I can't rap, but I got a little something. Anyway, let's get it on. Dalen on the beat. That's what this nigga, they think I'm on heat. Rocks on my teeth. That's what this nigga, they think I'm a geek. That's that your girl in my DM. She says that I look like a freak. Straight up. Glock a nigga down if they think they're so sleek. I do me shots with my chopper got aim. Niggas they hating, they bringing us fame. That's that you block so you know you're lame. I came with the game to put you in shame.
Yeah, niggas you hating, you cheating, you lying, you thinking you winning, but I swear you people, you all look and sound the same. Shut to the brain, that's the only way you're gonna take away and make a nigga switch up the lane. Let me explain how to open the eye on your face and make a nigga see higher planes. Every day I sit, no play, no aid. I'm just trying to master the brain, following ways to make myself escalate just by putting thought onto a page. Stuff is tiring. Center heads, trap boppers. Center heads prevailed.